So I'm taking this carb out just to find the adjustment screws. Be careful taking off the throttle cable because you can kind of snap the little end part, which I already managed to do. Right now I'm working on fixing Poulan Pro Weedwacker. The throttle cable, the end of it broke off. I'll show you that. I'll show you the part that I used to fix it and how to fix it. Alright, first you got to take off this part right here, bunch of Torx and one Allen key. 25. Start by switching out the cable on this side, and then we'll get to where it connects to the carburetor afterwards. Carefully take this out. Note the little spring right here. Note this little spring here. This is the return spring for the throttle, and I already dropped it. The tricky part here is getting this cable through here. You want to do it without taking everything off the shaft, which is a bit of a pain. There we go, it's out. Push the whole thing through. You just slide it down and then pull it through the slot there, and then pull the whole cable right back through. And it should go, there we go. This part goes into there, then you have your holes lined up, and then this goes through the post. Once you're through, I got to bend this up over the post here and push it down. There we go. I think we got it. Let's try this now. This thing is so plasticky. Okay, this cable, if you can see right here, has this extra little bump plastic right there, and that's where the end of this cable goes. That would fit right in there. There we go. Cable runs right along towards the back. Now that you have this off, we can actually get at the back of this thing right here. That little plastic clip. There we go. Now what was wrong with this cable, I was taking the carb off because it needed to be adjusted, and that this little lead piece broke off. I tried to melt it back on, was not able to, so. That's it. Let's see if we can fire it up. Oh, a little sputter there.